Hi, Shaylin with WTI, and I want to share with you this cool little selfie ring light. This XINBAOHONG Selfie ring light is very portable. As you can see on the clip that it has this little rubber grippy, so when you clip on your phone, it's not going to slide around. It does have 3 levels of LED light modes, so you're going to be able to use as much as you need. And I love, like I said, how convenient it is because it is portable. If you're shooting content on the go, then you just grab this. You don't need to have all your equipment, and it is rechargeable, so that's nice. It does come with a little cord and it has a USB at the end. So overall, it's just been a wonderful little on-the-go selfie light. Okay, so I'm gonna show you this little selfie ring light in action. You can see that it's not super dark here. I do have some natural light coming in on me, but there's a little bit of shadowing. It's a little bit dark, not too bad. But this cool selfie ring light, you're gonna have 3 levels. So this is the first level, and you can kind of just see that it's helping illuminate my face. And we're gonna go up a level, that's 2. So really just helping, and then 3, you're really just filling in all the shadowing. So when you're shooting content, you're not gonna have to worry about any dark spots in your content, or if you are taking selfies in a little bit lower light, you know that your face is gonna be illuminated. So really just, it puts off a lot of power for that little bitty clip-on selfie ring light. So I actually really love how versatile this little selfie ring light is. It's not just for selfies. I've loved using it to shoot content, especially on the go, when I'm doing photo or video and maybe I don't have a tripod or something with me. So it's a great little investment. I love how convenient it is to just clip on your phone, so nice and lightweight, and it really is a powerful little light, and that is my point of view.